Until now, airless packaging has traditionally been reserved for premium and high-end skincare products due to its limited filling capacity and amplified manufacturing costs. Thanks to SR Packaging's versatile EBM airless bottles, airless technology can now be applied to more cosmetic and beauty products, so that personal care lines can also reap the benefits of airless. Offered in prominent shapes and volumes ranging from 30 ml up to 250 ml, EBM airless bottles are more feasible than ever before. Without the requirement for preservatives or additives, SRP's EBM airless bottles present a perfect solution for clean beauty lines, natural baby care products, and vegan or artisan shampoos and body washes. The airless bottle range is compatible with various dispenser choices, including pumps that can handle a wide range of viscosities from lotion and gel through to thick topical ointments, and stylish sprayers catering to organic hair treatments, herbal deodorants, body mists, home care fragrances, and more. User-friendly, SRP's EBM airless bottles work from every angle, including upside down, for convenient, carefree dispensing. From suave and sophisticated to fresh and funky, SR Packaging's EBM airless bottles can be finished to suit any trend or aesthetic, enabling more cosmetic and personal care products to benefit from reliable, versatile, and cost-effective airless packaging. For post-use recycling, once depleted, the mono-material EBM airless bottles and pumps can be recycled without any disassembly. Expanding the possibilities for natural formulations, SR Packaging's EBM airless bottles.